Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my mains and goals for Putra Speedcubing Challenge 2017. This competition will be held on this Saturday, 25th of March 2017. I will be competing in every event except for 5x5 since I suck at it. Yeah. Okay, starting off 2x2. This is the Moyu Tempo. Nothing bad about this puzzle except for slight catches, but that's okay. My goal is a sub 5 average with a sub 4 single, and hopefully round 2. Yeah, there's 2 rounds of 2x2 here, so that's pretty interesting. 3x3. My main is the Goguan Yeshao, and my backup is the YJ Sulong. My goal is sub 17 average with a sub 15 single, and hopefully proceed to round 2. Oh yeah, for one-handed I'll be using the YJ Sulong since it's smaller than my Yixiao. My hands are kinda small, I know. My goal is a sub 47 average with a sub 45 single. Next, 4x4. I don't really care about this van. This is the YJ Yusu R. My goal is just a sub 110 average with a sub 17 single. So yeah. And Pyraminx, the events that I really don't care. This is the X-Men Bell Magnetic Pyraminx. My goal is a sub 8 average, yeah, sub 8, and sub 6 single. Skew. My current main is the Moyu Magnetic Cube. Just got it yesterday, really great. And my backup is the Shengshao. Still great, but not as great as the Moyu Magnetic. My goal is a sub 10 average with sub 7 single. And finally, my main event, Square One. So since Square One is my main event, I'm trying to podium at this. Yeah, I want to podium. At my last comp, for City, I got 4th place, so that's pretty promising. My goal is sub 25 average with sub 23 single. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.